Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off HDMI CEC. One key power off. First go to settings. Set settings icon from top. Go down. Set display and audio settings. Go down. Set HDMI CEC. One key power off. By default this would be off. Let me turn on. Press OK button on the remote. Done. So this way we can turn on HDMI CEC. If we enable HDMI CEC using one remote control, for example using the remote control of set-top box, we would be able to control both set-top box and TV. So that is a feature. So we have to enable this HDMI CEC to access that feature. Okay, so when we press the power button on the remote, it will turn off both set-top box and TV. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.